Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Moshumi, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to it and click the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I created this look using Plume Co products. They have sent me these beautiful looking two boxes. In one, it has Plume Co Silk Blur Primer, and in another, it has a brush set and a microfiber beauty blender. I'll be giving my honest reviews about every single pieces here. I'm just too excited, so stay tuned till the end. First, I am using this Plume Co Silk Blur Primer cum Moisturizer. I am applying the primer on my hand first, and trust me, it is so smooth to apply and it gives a hydrating finish, as you can see yourself. It has a hyaluronic acid which provides hydration and nourishment to the skin, and the avocado extracts which provides a healthy moisture and glow to the skin while blurring out any imperfections or pores. You can see yourself how it has made my skin so buttery like, so that it helps foundation to glide easily. I am massaging it all over my face and neck, and trust me, it does its work as it says. I am just totally loving this primer cum moisturizer. Next, for foundation application, I am using this Celestial sponge. It's super soft and squishy, very lightweight also. It's very porous, as when you will dampen it, it will expand to a much bigger size. For foundation, I am using MAC Studio Fix foundation and mixing two shades, NC44 and NC35 here. And oh God, I have loved this sponge the most, trust me, because usually I avoid sponges as it absorbs too much products, which is a totally waste all the time. But it doesn't absorb any product, and above all gives us cottony soft feel to the skin. You can see the way it's blending the foundation as if like I'm doing nothing, just dabbing, and it is doing all the work. And see, it's giving an airbrush like finish to the skin. I'm absolutely loving it. From now on, you guys will only see me to use this for foundation application for sure. Next, for the rest of the makeup, I'll be using the brushes only. The pouch has 16 brushes in it. All are vegan and cruelty free. For concealer, I am using LA Girl Pro HD Concealer here in the shade Warm Honey, and blending it with the help of this brush, which can be used for foundation application also. As you can see, it has only number on it, not mentioned which brush for what purpose, so you can use the brushes in your own way. The bristles are so soft and helps in blending very easily. You really don't need lots of effort to put in. Here I have applied the concealer on my chin, cupid bow, bridge of the nose, forehead and under eye areas, and on the eyelids as well. Next, to set the concealer with the powder, I am using this soft powder brush and using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15. The brush is so soft as if like nothing is touching my face but a feather. I am applying the powder all over my face and neck to avoid creasing and making the base long lasting. This flat-topped narrow brush can be used for powder or cream contour. Skipping the cream contour here, I am using this angled brush here for my powder contouring. With the help of this brush, I am applying this MAC bronzing powder for contouring my cheeks, my forehead, which is very broad and badly need the contouring, my jawlines to give a defined shape to my face. For nose contouring, I am using this fluffy eyeshadow brush. It really helps in smooth blending no matter what. For blush, I'm using this big fluffy brush and applying the Nykaa Blush Duo palette in the shade Kali Chick 2. This brush can be used for powder application also. Next, for eyebrow shaping, I'm using this angled brush which has a spoolie on the other side to brush the eyebrows as well. To fill the eyebrow, I'm using Miss Clear Eyebrow Cake and using this angled side of the brush to fill up my eyebrow well. Next, to give a clean shape to the eyebrow, I am using this super flat brush and using the concealer cleaning the outlines of my eyebrows. This soft flat brush can be used for foundation application, but I am using this for highlighter application here. For highlighter, I am using MAC highlighter in the shade Soft and Gentle and highlighting my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, forehead areas, chin and cupid bow. For eyeshadow application, it has varieties of brushes with which you can create any look. They are so precisely cut that you can do any precise creative eye makeup using these eye brushes. After blending the eyeshadows on my inner and outer corners of eyes, I am applying a glittery eyeshadow on top of the eyelid using this flat shader brush. The eyeliner brush is one of my favorites here for its crooked shape. It is very easy to apply the eyeliner. For smudging the eyeliner, I am using this pencil shaped brush and smudging the upper and lower eyeliner very finely. By the way, for eye makeup, I have used the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, the Rose Gold palette and the Ruby one. Next, applying a white kajal from Wet n Wild in the shade You Are Always White on my waterline and adding some mascara on my upper and lower eyelashes from Faces Canada. This is another brush which can be used for smudging any eyeshadow or applying any highlighter as well. For outlining my lips, I am using Faces Canada Pro HD Intense Matte Lips in the shade Espresso and filling the lips using Becca Purdy Popper Ultimate Lipstick in the shade Orchid. Lastly, to set everything in place, I am applying Faces Canada Makeup Fixer all over my face and letting it dry for some time. So here is my final look using the Plume Co products, and I hope you guys will find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to let me know that in the comment section, and also share this video with your friends and family as much as you can. And the new visitors, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.